Now we have our ocean layer on our planet. Let's go ahead and give it a little bit of land. As we can see here, we have our land layer selected. Let's go ahead and alt-click here to reselect our. There we go. Option click. My fault. Or I mean command click. There we go. Now we select on our land layer. Let's go ahead and let's render some clouds here. Let's go ahead and hit render clouds. There we go. Let's see. Let's hit Command F to get something I'm kind of liking here. Not really liking these too much because this all renders. You know, this is all. It all does this based on a randomization code. So okay, this looks good here. So let's All right, now let's do a difference clouds one. Let's go ahead and hit fade, render, filter, render, difference clouds. There we go. That looks pretty good. Let's hit Command F again to get some islands going on here. That looks really good right there. Now what we're going to do is let's go ahead and spherize this. Let's go ahead and filter, stylize, not stylize, where did it go? Let's see, filter, distort, that's what I'm looking for. Spherize, there we go. Do it at 100%. There we go. Now we've got a lot going on here, a lot of this here. So let's stop here and